What's going on, everybody? PJ 437 Motorsports, working on the Camaro once again. We did get a windshield put in it, so no more spider web in there anywhere. But they nicked the threads there, which I'll put a picture in of it. Messed the thread up with the puller when it was trying to pull the wiper arms off. So I got to pop the cowl back off. And since I couldn't get a tap to start on there, and there's also another problem under here. I had to go get a whole new wiper transmission linkage. So I got the new assembly there. I'm not gonna do a step-by-step kind of thing because it's my first time doing this, so it's probably not gonna go smoothly. The wiper motor is like back underneath here, underneath the cowling of the windshield and stuff in the dash. So it looks like it's gonna be quite a pain to get to, but I'll update you on little steps here and there as I go. All right, so I got the cowl off. Just held on with these little push plastic pins. So this ended up being broke too. Now I don't know if the guy doing the windshield broke it or not, but I know he did mess up the threads right there with his puller. But since this is broke, I gotta replace it. Most of it looks pretty easy. Just a bolt here, looks like one here, 3 over there on that. Then I guess it kind of slides into the slot here, and I don't know, maybe it even goes in through there or something. And hooking it up to the wiper motor, which is back in the cubby back in there, I don't even know how easy that's going to be to get to. Somewhere back in there, the linkage ties into the actual wiper motor. All right, I got the old one out. I'd end up popping this one off of here so that I could get all of this out of this section here. Pulls out of there. I took the wiper motor loose to be able to get it to where I can get to that little ball that's there, that little cup rides on. So now I'm gonna pop the new one apart. I'll have to pop it apart there so that I can get it all back in there, and then snap it back on. I'm gonna put some dielectric grease in there so it has some lubricant to ride on. Hopefully it'll go back in pretty easy now that I figured out how to get it out of the car, and we'll be in the money. All right, after a little struggle, got the new one in there. See if I can get it out good. I did end up cracking this one when I popped it back onto the little ball socket that it's got on here. I hope it stays on for a while. They're a little rough to squeeze on with some pliers, but I cycled them and they do work. So I just got to put the cowling back on, hook up my washer hose, put all the rivets back in, and then install the wipers. Well, they're back on. I did end up breaking a little tab off down here that catches a little thing that sticks down there to hold this down in place. Hopefully that doesn't flap too much. Might end up looking for a new one of those. They are working. So we are good to go. Now I just need to get a Virginia State inspection. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos if you would. Give them a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.